y'all, it's Nicole Roan with the Living Well Properties, and I am at Trinity Falls today to check on my Dell Webb build for my awesome clients who are moving here from out of state. They have done a lot of work inside since the last time we saw, so they're also bricking right now. So I'm gonna flip this around so we can go check it all out. So I'm gonna go up on this side because this is where they've started the bricking. But look, how exciting is that? Looking good. All right, and then we're gonna go inside because they've done quite a bit more tile work since we were last here. Ooh, I hear them nailing stuff down. Okay, look, they did the laundry room floor. I love this decorative tile. It's a trend right now. It's looking really, really, really pretty. Awesome. All right. And I'm gonna back up like we're coming in from the front door. Awesome. Okay, so they've got tile here in, this is a 2-bed, 2-bath home. So they've got the tile on the floor. They have the tile in the showers. Looks so good. I don't think lights, yeah, the lights don't work yet, so, oh, that looks so good. I love that. And they've got your plumbing fixtures. They've got the light fixture up. It's looking awesome. And that door, they'll fix it so it doesn't shut like that. But all right, front bedroom. It's painted. Everything looks phenomenal. Awesome. Okay, and then we're gonna turn back around. And we're gonna go into the office. Yeah, it looks the same as last time. Still awesome. And, all right, kitchen. Look at the backsplash. Holy cow, that's amazing. Oh, that looks so good. Yes, I love the pattern. And I know this has a film over it, but I think it matches really, really nicely with the granite. And they have your door hardware up, your cabinet hardware. Awesome. Look, oh, that's awesome, awesome. Very cool. And they have the backsplash here as well. Very nice. And of course, I love these little lights. So pretty. All right. So then you have a dining area and then back into the master. Looking good. Oh, wow, okay. Oh my gosh. So when we were here last week, the guy was installing all of this. So they've got the floor done, but they put the paper down to protect it. So that looks really good. And then the whole shower. Oh, that's so pretty. And look. Your rain head. Oh, I love it. Amazing. And then the pebble floor. I mean, that is awesome. Very nice. And I'll flip it around here so you can see you got your light fixtures up, the countertops, all the cabinets, the hardware, everything is in. Very cool. This is coming along very nicely, very quickly. Awesome. And then I'll shut this and we'll back into the closet. So they painted in here. Looks really good. Awesome. All right, then back out. We're gonna go check out the sunroom and the patio. I'll finish this outside. Awesome. And look at all the dirt. Awesome. And then all the brick, right? So they're going to be coming around, and this house is going to be completely bricked by the time I come out here next week. That's exciting. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. They have done so much work and they have a lot more to do still, but they're in warp speed right now. They are on point to finish this house within a few weeks so we can close and you can enjoy. So excited for you guys. If you're watching for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Properties, and this is the kind of service we offer to our clients who are building new construction. It's a tedious process, and it helps when you have someone on your side who will follow you through the entire deal and make sure it's done right. If you guys are looking for an agent in the Salina, Prosper, McKinney area, please give me a call. I would love to work with you. Until next time, guys, God bless and take care.